All because he's been doing this for 20 years. Arambol over the last 20 years, because of the Carnival, has been the gravitational force of the spirit of the creative forces of Arambol. Zuzu is the man behind this Carnival, and it's been happening for 20 years. For some reason, it was stopped this year. For them reasons, we're not sure why it was stopped. But our brother Zuzu has been taken away. I'm sure he's going to be back later on. And I don't think we've broken any laws, but let's see what happens. But the Carnival, the Arambol art of Carnival has been held by Zuzu for over 20 years, and has been the backbone of a lot of good spirit in this community. And a lot of people, locals and foreigners, and people from all around the world love Zuzu. So, free Zuzu.
It was sad. Coming here, we came a lot of friends just to enjoy the carnival, but there are no carnival. I wonder where it goes now. It doesn't cost anyone anything. It's good for all the people having business here, for the Arambolians and for the whole Goa.